The Police Civilian Review Panel reviews investigations resulting from public complaints against police officers of the Fairfax County Police Department. Made up of 9 resident members of the Fairfax County community, the panel is independent from the police department and reports directly to the Board of Supervisors. The Police Civilian Review Panel reviews investigations involving allegations of serious police misconduct, to include allegations of racism or bias and allegations of abuses of authority. If you have experienced, observed, or know of any alleged misconduct, file a complaint with the Police Civilian Review Panel. You may file complaints online at www.fairfaxcounty.gov/Police Civilian Review Panel or deliver it in person to the PCRP office at the Government Center. If you need help completing your complaint or have questions, call the panel office at 703-324-2502 or email policecivilianreviewpanel@fairfaxcounty.gov. Join the Police Civilian Review Panel at one of its public meetings on the first Thursday of every month at 7 o'clock p.m. and be a part of positive change in the Fairfax County Police Department.